For decades, global sourcing followed one dominant rule: find the lowest price, manufacture where costs are lowest, ship across the world, and build inventory around long supply chains. But the world doesn't just need cheaper suppliers anymore. It needs closer, faster, more flexible, and more resilient supply chains, and that changes Turkey's position. The reason is simple. The cost of a product is no longer just the price written on a quotation. Pandemics, wars, trade tensions, disruptions in the Red Sea, and instability around the Strait of Hormuz have exposed the risks hidden inside global supply chains. More than 80% of world merchandise trade by volume moves by sea, according to UN Trade and Development. In 2026, geopolitical tensions disrupted major energy and shipping routes again. UNCTAD identified geopolitics as a major global economic risk, affecting energy prices, transportation, investment, and supply chains. For industrial buyers, the question is changing. Not only, where can I buy this cheaper, but where can I source it faster, closer, and with less exposure to disruption? This is where Turkey becomes strategically interesting. Turkey sits directly between Europe, Asia, the Middle East, the Black Sea, and the Mediterranean. A machine manufactured in Turkey can reach many European markets by road. Turkish ports connect manufacturers to the Mediterranean, North Africa, and global markets, while rail corridors provide another route between Europe and Asia. And this position is becoming even stronger. In 2026, the World Bank approved $2 billion for the Istanbul North Rail Crossing project, designed to strengthen Turkey's position as a logistics hub connecting Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. But location alone doesn't create a sourcing hub. You also need manufacturing capability. Turkey already has it. According to official statistics, manufacturing accounted for 93.8% of Turkey's exports in the first 5 months of 2026. Across the country, manufacturers produce machinery, automotive components, electrical equipment, metal products, generators, pumps, compressors, construction machinery, food processing equipment, packaging systems, automation solutions, and complete production lines. This isn't an emerging manufacturing base waiting to be built. It already exists. And Europe provides perhaps the strongest evidence. Trade in goods between Turkey and the European Union reached a record €217.6 billion in 2025, making Turkey the EU's fifth largest trading partner. Turkey isn't simply located near European supply chains, it is already deeply connected to them. Now combine that industrial capacity with proximity. For industrial procurement, speed matters. A factory may need a replacement machine, a contractor may need generators quickly. An investor may need a customized production line. Another project may require equipment from several different manufacturers. In these situations, the lowest factory price isn't necessarily the lowest total sourcing cost. Transportation matters. Lead time matters. Inventory matters. Customization matters. Spare parts and after-sales support matter. And increasingly, geopolitical risk matters. This is why concepts such as nearshoring, multi-sourcing, and supply chain diversification have become strategically important. The objective isn't to replace China. China's manufacturing scale remains enormous. The objective is to build alternatives. And Turkey offers something different: industrial capability, geographic proximity, and flexible project-based manufacturing in the same ecosystem. But there is still a challenge. Having thousands of manufacturers doesn't automatically make industrial sourcing easy. International buyers still need to connect the right technical requirement with the right manufacturing capability, sometimes across several manufacturers within the same project. This changing environment is also where Suppliertr operates, supplying industrial machinery and equipment from Turkey to international buyers, from individual machines to project-based industrial systems. Because the opportunity isn't simply to show the world what Turkey manufactures, it's to make that manufacturing capacity easier to access and buy from. Globalization isn't disappearing, it's being redesigned. The world will continue searching for competitive prices. But now, it is also putting a price on distance, time, flexibility, and risk. And when those factors become part of the sourcing equation, Turkey becomes much